Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing Eid special sweet treat Khubani ka Meetha. This sweet is very easy to make dish which you can try in this Eid. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Now let's get started. This is Khubani, that is dried apricots. I have taken 500 grams, that is half kg of Khubani. This you can soak it overnight, it is best, or at least 4 to 5 hours. I have just added the water and kept it overnight. Now you can see how they have just puffed up and nicely soaked. They are very soft. Let's discard all these seeds out of this fruit. We will not throw these seeds, we will remove almonds out of these seeds also. Now you can see very easily you can remove all the seeds. Then later on I will be breaking out those nuts also and taking those almonds. All the Khubani is very soft. You can see how mushy it is. Now we will take in a little bigger pot. To that I will be adding the same liquid in which I had kept for soaking. If you want you can add more water also and keep it on stove for cooking. Let it get cooked for at least 10 to 15 minutes until nice, soft and tender. Until then let's break out all these nuts. You can see very tiny almonds will be there inside. These almonds have very strong flavor. You just add it inside this Khubani itself. The taste will be very nice and you will get nice crunchy texture to your sweet. Now all my almonds are ready. Few got broke also, no worries. Now my Khubani is well done. It is nice soft. I have hand blender, so I will be using hand blender to make it nice, smooth and silky. You can let it cool and run it in the blender. Otherwise, if you have a hand blender, you can do it the same way. Or some people will like it even having small bits of Khubani in it. You can just use a nice spoon to just mash it and leave it that way also. For half kg I used half cup sugar. That is more than enough because the fruit itself will be very sweet. I also added the almonds which we broke open the nuts. Now nicely give it a good mix and bring it to a boil. Our Khubani ka Meetha is very ready. Always this Khubani ka Meetha will be nice to be served chill. So I will be keeping it inside the fridge minimum 4 hours. Let it rest inside the fridge. This sweet treat you can prepare very much ahead of time and keep it in your fridge. Very chill only, it will be tasting better. Always whenever you serve Khubani you need either cream, rabdi or simply as I am doing today, just make vanilla custard. I am preparing vanilla custard. I have just taken 2 cups of milk, kept it for boil. In that I am mixing 3 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder. I will be mixing and preparing the vanilla custard. Even in this you add the sweetness how much ever you prefer. I am not going to keep it very sweet. Mild sweetness is more than enough for this custard. Already Khubani ka Meetha is very sweet. Just we are going to give it a nice creamy touch. That is what I am going to make with this custard. Nicely give it a good mix with the custard mix and also mix the sugar. Bring it to a boil and transfer this also in a bowl and keep it in fridge for minimum 4 hours, just like that of the Khubani ka sweet. Both the sweet treats are ready. Now let's assemble. You can assemble it in your own style however you want. I am doing it in my way. Always remember this Khubani ka Meetha you can serve it with custard, rabdi or just simply heavy whipping cream or homemade malai also will be very good complement to this sweet treat. For this Eid you can try this awesome different Khubani ka Meetha which is very easy to make and delicious to taste. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.